Hi, welcome to Tech Lab. Today I am going to show you how you can set up a Plex server in Windows. Also how to set up and watch its content with Android Smart TV and smartphone. Plex is one of the most used entertainment system by which you can manage and watch your movies, music, TV shows, live TV on demand. You can set up a Plex server locally and also purchase a subscription to watch your media over the internet around the world, anytime you want. It also comes with additional features by which you can resume your media. It will download album arts. For movies, it will load the cast name, plot of the movie, runtime, subtitle, and many more automatically. To summarize, it will give you an awesome experience. First, go to this link to download Plex Media Server for Windows. In the drop-down list, you can see a lot of devices and operating systems that supports Plex Server. I'm going to select Windows and click Download. After the download is done, click on the installer to start installation process. Click Options, press OK to install in default program files, or you can change to whichever folder you like. I'm going to install it in the default folder. Press OK, then press Install. Click Restart to restart your PC to finish installation. After restart, it will automatically open your browser and take you to a login screen. You can log in with Google, Facebook, Apple, or your email. After login, it will take you to this screen. Click Got it. You will then be presented with this screen, from which you can purchase a subscription. I am going to skip it. Give your server a name, click Next. Then Next and Done. It will take you to this screen. Straight from here, you can watch a lot of free movies available on Plex server. Now I am going to create a personal library of movies and TV shows that I love to watch. Click on the settings, go to Library, click Add Library. Select Movies, click Next and browse your movie folder. Click Add Library. Same process goes for all the other kinds of library you might want to add to your Plex server. Get back home, then Movies, and it will show your movie library. Same goes for TV shows. Now I am going to show you how you can watch Plex on your smartphone. Go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and download Plex. Open the application. Log in with the same account as you did on your PC. And voila, you have all your media listed here. The loading time will depend on your router network speed. But as you are watching them locally, you will get very good performance from a mediocre router. You can also watch 106 live TV, and more are being added each day. Same goes for your Android Smart TV. Download the Plex app from the Google Play Store and log in with the same account. On your smart TV, you will get additional features and it looks awesome. Now enjoy your favorite movies whenever you want, wherever you are. See you in the next one.